Okay, now that we have chosen our objective and we've decided that plant cells is what we want our students to know about, we're going to have to refine our topic. So if you do a Google search, you'll see lots of different plant cells. And all of these images are different. If I chose this one and I went and I made a game, I would have to create 3D objects for all of these parts. And because we're just starting out on learning cell diagrams and what the parts of a cell are, I'm not going to choose something that is going to be overly complicated or include a lot of, parts that they're not going to be able to know. I want to build confidence. I don't want them to be unsuccessful at the game that we're playing. So I chose the 7 parts on this cell diagram. So I'm going to include a cell wall, mitochondria, the large vacuole, the cytoplasm, the cell membrane, the chloroplast, and the nucleus. So those are the 7 plant parts that I'm going to focus on in my game. Now I have to figure out what I want this game to do. So I need to be able to put a point system to it. I need for my students to be able to demonstrate something about a plant cell. And there are several different things that you could choose, but what I chose to do is to create a 3D environment where students go into the plant cell and they are able to identify parts that should be there and then identify parts that should not be or infiltrates. Anything that should not be in that plant cell, I want them to destroy it. And the premise of my game is that when they destroy something that shouldn't be in the cell, they're going to get points for that. But if they accidentally, or if they don't understand their plant parts that they've already been taught, if they accidentally, destroy a part of the cell that should be there, they're going to lose points. And at the end of the game, the points will be awarded automatically based on the script that I put into the game. And I'll tell you more about scripting in the next video.